Let's dice a mango today. I've given this a good scrub with some soapy water to wash off any of the chemicals that it might have been sprayed with while shipping, or when it's in the grocery store to keep away the rodents. You want to do that so that you're not dragging those chemicals through onto your cutting board. Even though I'm not going to eat the skin, I still don't want them on my cutting board. So here's my mango stem end, here's the bottom, and as you can see, as I turn it, this is a narrow part of the mango, and this is a wide part of the mango. Narrow, wide. So I'm going to cut down the narrow part of the mango on either side. And inside of here, there is a great big pit. The pit is really large for this type of a fruit. So here we go. My knife is nice and sharp. And as I cut, I can feel the pit as I cut through. Then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to do it to the other side. It's very similar to the demo yesterday, except I'm leaving the skin on. So I've come through on both sides of the pit. I'm going to trim this up later, but for the sake of the demo, I'm not going to do that right now. This pit is like this big inside of the mango. So in order to dice this, now I'm going to take my paring knife, and I'm going to make, you can either do this down if you feel safer. I'm going to hold it in my hand, but I'm not going to press through so far that it comes through to the skin. And I'm going to make these slits very carefully, slowly. I'm going to try to keep these slits nice and even, so then the dice is nice and even when it comes out. So that's one way, you see that? Now I'm going to go this way. I might not be doing such an even job, but I'm going to do my best. These mangoes are coming from Peru right now. They're really nice and flavorful, and they have a beautiful scent to them. So from here, I'm going to turn this inside out. And here's my mango. And I'm just going to cut these pieces off. I'm going to get close to the skin. Do you remember how we cut the oranges? Very similar. Just pop right off. Do you get the idea? I love mango. It has such a nice peppery flavor to it. It goes really good with basil. It goes good with all kinds of fruits. It goes great with tomatoes. It goes lovely with beets. Almost done. I'm going in a sawing motion with my knife and giving it a little bit of pressure that way. But see, my knife is nice and sharp, so it'll cut through on its own. So you can see I'm pretty close to the skin all the way through. Here are my mango pieces all diced. Hope that was helpful for today. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day. I'm going to eat a piece now.